All right, so here's the last example. And again, we're solving linear inequalities. And this one is a between because x is between these two. So we have to remember how to solve these out before, like you've done before in the other math classes. And so with this one, we're going to do the exact same instructions of solving it out, get the inequality, then we're going to do it on a number line, graph it out, and then we're going to go ahead and put an interval notation. So the last thing we're going to do, again here, our goal, I'm going to go ahead and put this down here so we can see what our goal is so we know what's going on. This time, since this is a between, we know that x is going to be between two numbers. So we're going to have a number here. We're going to have a number here. We're going to have x in the middle. And in this case, because they gave us what our inequality signs are, we're going to put these two inequality signs right here. So we need to get everything away from the x on the inside and get to two numbers on the outside. So the first thing is we got to move this 1. Move that to both sides. So we subtract 1 here from all 3 parts. 3 of them, not just 1, but all 3. And that happens all the time. People just do it on one side and then the other side gets nothing. It gets like neglected or like it gets shy sticks. Nobody cares about it and they just sad. Makes me want to cry because it's so lonely all by itself. Sad, sad, sad. Tears. Tears falling from my eye. But make sure you do it on both sides so that way nobody's lonely. Nobody like it's salty or anything of that sort. Alright, so the last thing here is going to divide all 3 parts by 2. Don't let it be salty by themselves. You gotta do it. Alright, so the 2's canceled out here. You know 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 2 divided by 2 is not 0. So you don't just get rid of the 2's. It's actually 1. X is in the middle by itself. And then negative 2 divided by 2 is 2. Now with this one, why didn't we switch the inequality sign? Here we're dividing, but we divided by a negative right here, but did we divide by a negative 2 at all here at all? Nah. Only if you divide by a negative 2 with these inequality signs switch, or by a negative number with these inequality signs switch. So in the practice, if you happen to divide by a negative number of some sort, or something happens like that, or any problem, if you divide by a negative number, the inequalities, both of them will switch here. Alright, so we got to our goal. So we have a number, we have the inequality sign, we have x in the middle, we have the inequality sign, then another number. So we met our goal. We did it. So now just again graph it out. And then interval notation, and then we is done. Booyah, booyah. I'm sorry, that's negative 2 right there, not 2. Negative 2. Alright, and then again we shade between because x is between two numbers. Parenthesis there, parenthesis there. Put our infinities here. Both infinities. And then we just do our interval notation. And here, we know we start with negative 2, we end with 1, and we put parentheses around both of those. And that's it. That's all the examples that we have for this. And so here, with that, you have one more practice left, and then that's all for the practices for this part. Enjoy!